Hello, our project this week is some wood repair and some siding repair. It's masonite and it can use some help. Pardon the air conditioner, it may be loud for a moment, but as you can see, we're just overgrown here in the backyard and up against the house. Okay, so here we are. It's the end of day one. I had hoped to have gotten more of the siding and rotted wood trim removed, but as you can see, I've been kind of busy. And here we are on the right side of the fireplace area, and as you can see, a lot of rot there. It's been replaced before. We're just going to splice it in the same place and do the same thing. Well, if I am showing you a pile of debris, this ain't good. Okay, a little different perspective here. I'm obviously up on the roof right behind the fireplace. And we got a little rot here. I expected to see that. In fact, I knew it was there when I felt around the corner. And the masonite here actually doesn't look too bad. I'll see what we can do to salvage that. We've got the same issue on the other side, so time to get to bed.